So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon and like the video. Today we are creating minimalistic intro for YouTube channel. Here you go. First of all, you will need a latest Kinemaster app. You can download it by watching this video. I will leave the link in description, or you can DM me on Instagram for direct link. Open Kinemaster, click on Get Projects, and click on Intro. After clicking, scroll down and tap on Subscribe Intro and download it. Click OK and come back to home screen. After coming back, click on Subscribe Intro in My Projects. Remove Ad and play the video. This is how the intro looks. Now click on Text and change it to your channel name. Now repeat the same with other texts. That's it with the tutorial. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.